don't know what's going on lately, but all these machines don't have any sound. So here we go. $5 bet, $1 denom. Let's go, Mr. Neptune. Cocky motherfucker. Let's go. Bring those orbs. Bring the orbs. Blow the horn. No? Oh, yeah, he did. Shit. I gotta do my own sound. I don't have enough fucking breath for that. Damn. One more time. Boom. One more time? Holy shit. I don't think he's ever done it 4 times. Damn. Are you gonna do it one more time? Holy crap. That was pretty good. Alright, come on. Now bring 5 of those. Woo! Here we go. Let's get it. Get it full. Get it full. Yes! One more, dude. One more. Oh, yes! Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh, my God. What's up, brother? Damn. Here we go. Come on. Get that mega. Get that mega. Get that major. All right, 450. Do it. Sweet. I'll take that on a $5 bet. Hell yeah. What's up, man? Look at that smirk on your face. It's a good one this time. We're still going. Let's go, Mr. Neptune. Lots of balls. 2 more. Damn it. Don't blow the horn again. I don't got enough breath. Oh, shit. Neptune. There you go, baby. Wow, he's being good to me right now. One more time. Hell yes. Great bonus. For no sound. You gonna do it a 4th time? Go for 4? Oh, hell yeah. I wonder how many times he could do that. Leave a comment if you had more than 4 of those. Maybe that's the max that he does. Hell yeah. Let's go. We still got 2 more spins. Let's see if he does that each time. Come on, bring him. Alright. You gonna blow that horn again? Let's go, Kenny G. Nope, not that time. Bring the orbs. Bring the orbs. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Hell yeah. What an awesome bonus. I wish it had sound. Besides me. Alright, dude. Beautiful bonus. Look at that shit. $500 on the money. Let's go, Joe. Name that Neptune. There you go. Boom. I'll take it.